This is one of those small upgrades in a kitchen that make a big impact. And isn't it so beautiful? I'm Marie with WTI, and I am so glad that I found this gorgeous special honey dispenser by PAULSWAY. You can tell so much thought and care went into the design of this. It has completely replaced those messy, sticky bottles of honey and syrup. Taking care of my family is important to me, so I really appreciate that it has this nice stainless steel core and this beautiful glass body. You can actually hear it. It just has that nice heavy glass feeling. It feels clean, well made, and something that I feel really good about giving my family every day. What really surprised me is how easy it is to use. You just press the handle and it gives you a nice, smooth, controlled drizzle. No drips at all, no mess, no fighting with the bottles. I use it for everything. Tea, coffee, croissants, and when we have people over, everyone comments on how pretty it is and they want to know where to get one. And we feel you're gonna love it as much as we do, and that's our point of view.